Okay, now we've had our ham hock that's been simmering in with the beans, imparting all its flavor. As you'll see, the ham hock has fat around the outside and then all that tender meat inside. So now that all the flavor's out, we want to get rid of that fat portion. You know, if some remains, that's fine too. But I just kind of like to go around the outside of it like this. You see, and it starts to pull right off. You see, if you don't get it all, that's fine too. What we want to do is get to that beautiful meat on the inside of the ham hock, and we're going to reintroduce that to the beans. So just kind of go ahead all the way around here, like that. And it starts to pull off after a little bit. You see, then we got a nice big piece here. Okay, and then you can just kind of cut down the sides of the ham hock. A lot of this will be gristle in here too. A lot of the reason for the ham hock is flavor, but there's this big meat area here. So you can go right down there and see how pink that is. This is just like ham. Okay, now that you've got all this meat ready, just go ahead and put it right in the pot with the beans. Again, a lot of this flavor is already in that pot. So go ahead and stir this together.